Today we are going to learn about these phrases. We will learn about the meaning, how to translate them into Nuer language. The first one is, my name is Gadwich. My name is Gadwich mean an, shall, should, the Gadwich. And shall, should, the Gadwich. Okay, you can just say like that. And shall, should, the Gadwich. And shall, should, the Gadwich. And shall, should, the Gadwich. My name is Gadwich. The second one is, what is your name? What is your name? What is your name is Jin, shall, should, do, di. Jin, shall, should, do, di. What is your name? What is your name mean Jin, shall, should, do, di in Nuer language. Jin, shall, should, do, di. His name is Tarjat. His name is Tarjat. His name is Tarjat mean Jen Shale Tarjat. Jen Shale Tarjat. His name is Tarjat. Jen Shale Tarjat. My parents sold their house. My parents sold their house. The meaning of my parents sold their house is, we can put it this way. Dieska chika dorienqua. Dieska chika dorienqua. Or you can say Dieska shika shiendienqua. My parents sold their house. Dieska shika dorienqua. The boys' clothes are dirty. The boy clothes are dirty. The meaning of this is that you are saying Bieni Dolly Shikalot. Bieni Dolly Shikalot. The boy clothes are dirty. Bieni Dolly Shikalot. The boy clothes are dirty. Bieni Dolly Shikalos. The other one is, my friend names are Dol and Kun. My friend names are Dol and Kun. The meaning of this, my friend names are Dol and Kun, is that you can translate it this way. Masnika Edol Kene Kun. Masnika Edol Kene Kun. My friends' names are Dol and Kun. Masnika shall, should, can, Dol Kene Kun. You can use this. Masnika Dol Kene Kun. My friend names are Dol and Kun. The last one is Nyalwak, she is my best friend. Nyalwak, she is my best friend. Meaning Nye Luak Jen Mazda Migwa. Nyalwak Jen Mazda Migwa. Nyalwak, she is my best friend. Nyalwak Mazda Migwa. Nyalwak, she is my best friend. Nyalwak Mazda Migwa. Ashana min within ben your kel guasame ko bu kon ko tenga nyurong ko do dan dong de ko na ngai keja men yam guasame. My name is Gadwich. My name is Gadwich mean and shall, should, Gadwich. My name is Gadwich and shall Gadwich, or and shall, should, Gadwich. Here we made a mistake. This one has to be O, should, the Gadwich, and shall, should, Gadwich. My name is Gadwich and shall, should, Gadwich. What is your name? What is your name? Jin, shall, should, do di. Jin, shall, should, do di. What is your name? His name is Tarjat. His name is Tarjat. Jen Shale Tarjat. His name is Tarjat. Jen Shale Tarjat. My parents sold their house. My parents sold their house. Dieska Shikadorienqua. Dietka Shikadorienqua. The boys' clothes are dirty. The boys' clothes are dirty. Beni doli shikalot. Beni dolishi kalot. Beni dolishi kalot. The boy clothes are dirty. My friend names are Dol and Kun. Masnika Edwal Kene Kun. Masnika Edwal Kene Kun. Nyalwak, she's my best friend. Nyalwak, she's my best friend. Nyalwak, jena mazda migwa. Nyalwak, jena mazda migwa. Nyalwak, she's my best friend. So please do you go this channel, your support. Could be titi become chamala shukaya. Ka Facebook page, kana YouTube channel. Thank you for learning. Bye bye.